AI documentary channels are getting millions of views and earning thousands in revenue. In today's tutorial video, I will show you how you guys can create a documentary channel from scratch using free AI tools. You don't need to show your face or even use your voice. After exploring YouTube, I noticed that documentary videos are becoming quite popular. So, I decided to create a step-by-step tutorial to teach you how to create such videos and grow your YouTube channel fast. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. First, we need to create a logo and banner for our channel. To do this, go to Canva and search for the logo. Browse until you find a logo that suits you. Once you've found the one you like, edit it as necessary, then click on Share and download it to your device. To create a banner, go back to the Canva homepage and search for a YouTube banner. Look for a simple design and click on Customize this template option. You can then make any changes you want, such as changing the colors, fonts, and even the elements. When you're done, download it by clicking on the Share button. Now, let's move on to the next step. We need a channel name, and for that, I will be using ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and ask, "Give me 10 name ideas for a history documentary YouTube channel." You can type any channel genre for which you want to create your documentary channel. Okay, so now we have the name ideas. I like this one, History Unveiled Now. It's important to pick a specific aspect to document so that you can reach your intended audience. To do this effectively, we will ask ChatGPT to generate some ideas. Ask ChatGPT to provide you with a list of different aspects that you can document on your YouTube channel. You will then receive a list of various topics to choose from, such as DNA structure, theory of relativity, quantum mechanics, plate tectonics, and so on. It's crucial to select a topic that you have an interest in. Many people create channels, but they can't stay consistent because they have no interest in the topic they chose. Therefore, it's important to choose a topic that you enjoy. Now, moving on to the next step. Let's say you're interested in learning about the discovery of X-rays. Simply ask ChatGPT to write a complete YouTube script on the topic. It will provide you with a script that you can use as a starting point. However, it's important to make some changes to the script to make it unique. You can copy the script and paste it into Google Docs or Word files, then edit it to your liking. Remember to ask ChatGPT to write the script in simple words. Now let's generate our voiceover. For that, I will be using 11 Labs. Head on to 11 Labs and choose Text-to-Speech option. Choose your desired voice for this video. I will be using Josh. You can also adjust the voice settings if you want to, or keep it as the default. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the script, and then paste it into the text box in 11 Labs and click Generate. Okay, so now we have the script and voiceover for the video. Now we have to find some stock footage that we can use to edit the video. It's easy to get them from websites like Pexels. All you need to do is search for your desired video keyword, and you will find various videos that you can download and use without any copyright issues. I will download some of these videos, and then we can move on to the last step. Okay, so we have organized our clips. The last step is to edit the video, and for that, I will be using CapCut. Open CapCut and import all the files. Drag and drop the voiceover into the timeline, followed by the clips. Arrange the clips according to the voiceover. Listen to each part of the voiceover before choosing a clip for that segment. Repeat this process for the entire timeline to make the video more engaging. Add transitions in the middle of each clip by going to the transition menu and selecting different transitions. Choose the transitions you like. There is no right way of choosing a transition, so go through them and select the ones that suits best to you. If you want your audience to easily follow your video, it is important to add subtitles, and with CapCut, it's very easy to do that. Go to the text option and click on Auto Captions. Choose your desired language, then click Create to generate your auto captions. You can customize the look of your caption to make it more appealing. For me, I like to add text effects to make it stand out and more appealing to viewers. This makes the caption clearer and sharper and easier for anyone to read on any device. It's important to get the final step right when adding background music to your videos. In my experience, choosing the right background music can make or break the video. To add background music, you can use music from YouTube Library or Pixabay for that. You can listen to different options and choose the one that fits your video best. For this video, I already have the background music I want to use, so I will just import it and bring it to the timeline. Always lower the music volume to avoid overpowering the main voice. Okay, so our video is ready. Let's review what we created. Today, We're unraveling the extraordinary tale of X-rays and how they change the way we see the world. It's a story filled with mystery, accidental discoveries, and a touch of scientific magic. Our adventure kicks off in the late 1800s with a curious scientist named Wilhelm Röntgen. Picture a world without smartphones, without selfies, and definitely without X-rays. Röntgen was tinkering with experiments involving electricity and tubes when something unexpected happened. So that's it from this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more such video, I will see you in the next one.